We've been making some short videos, so we thought we'd show you one we do. We get quite a few orders for these. This is our take on the Legolas Spaulder. I first saw Lord of the Rings, the very first one, and it was the Battle of Helm's Deep. Legolas was standing there on the ramparts, and I saw those and I said, those are cool. So this is our take on these, and this is how we make them. Of course, if you don't know what a Spaulders is, of course, it goes on your shoulder. See how that's peeling off of there like that? Two holes in it, put them together, and I rivet it, and I bring this around, mark it, and I cut this one off, and then I rivet these two together, and it's just a building process all the way down. The rivets allow it to kind of articulate just a little bit so it sits on your shoulder a little bit better.